If you are planning for advanced taxation or advanced audit and assurance level exams for December 2024 or March 2025 exam attempts, then I have good news for you all. I am announcing my post-result batches for both of these exam attempts. And good news is that good discounts are also available for both of these enrollments. For December 24 attempt, I am announcing flat 40% discount, and for March 25 exam attempt, I am announcing 15% discount. I have an experience of more than 15 years in teaching these exams, and 45 of my students have secured nationwide positions in both of these exams. So if you also want to increase your chances to pass these exams in first attempt, then you can enroll through our website or contact me directly on my given WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone.